You know what time it is. We're back here live. Every day we're talking about a different coin. You got your paycheck, your stimulus, whatever. Cop that coin today. I'm telling you, the last thing you want is the banks telling you what to buy, how to buy, when to buy. We already know how these banks work. They don't even got no money in the bank. You're the faith and the credit. Okay? That's why we got a digital currency out here. 2025. You already know 2030 is going to be approved. No more dollar. People are already getting cars. People are already getting homes. I mean, I'm already purchasing stuff with Bitcoin. So I don't know about you, but you know, there's no other better time. Check out my video out there. Market price, MKR, Algorand price, wrapped Bitcoin, Uniswap price, Bitcoin SV price, digital currency news, Bitcoin news. Find me at PAPACRISTOS, Papa Christos. Just click on the stuff like this. Hit that like button right there. Scroll down a little bit more. You'll see that subscribe button right here. It's red. It either be on this side or this side. Show some support. Once you hit that video, once you hit the like, that circulates the videos. More people get to see it, and you spread the awareness. Alright, Cash App me at PAPAKRISTOS or CRISTOS. Papa Christos, look for the dragon with the 3 eyes. Today we're talking about the one and only, the ZCASH price at 125.66. I'm telling you, this coin's about to leave the building. It's been waiting for y'all, but y'all haven't jumped on it for a minute. So it's taking off on its own, okay? And we see right here the 1 year, it's gone up. It's up there. It went to 214. It dropped back, came back for y'all to try to jump on the ride. You know, it came through. It rolled through on you guys. It's saying cop me now because I'm about to blow up by the end of the year. So make sure you go get that ZCASH. It's at 125.66. That's 1 hour ago. You know, don't fall asleep on it. Don't sleep on this coin. Market cap 1.4 billion. Okay, we got the volume 469.9 million. Circulation supply 11.2 million. Okay, when you use our own, okay, hold up, wrong stuff. ZCASH is a cryptocurrency that offers 2 types of addresses: transparent addresses that are publicly visible on the ZCASH blockchain and shielded addresses that are more private. Coinbase customers can receive ZCASH for both transparent and shielded address and send ZCASH to transparent addresses. Sending to shielded address is not supported at this time. Okay, but it is. Get started. Get your ZCASH today. How much are they giving for free? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 worth. Take the test, take the quiz. You get a coin for each one. I think I did it already. Okay, don't sleep on the ZCASH. They're already giving you $5 for free. Alright, it doesn't get better than this. Where you gonna get $5 for free? Not even the bank gives you $5 for free. You go sit down and talk to a broker or financial analysis, they're gonna charge you $450 to $1,500 an hour. At the end of that session, they're gonna tell you to come back because you don't even got no money to get any coins. But over here at Coinbase, you're talking to me, Papa Christos TV, here at Digital Currency News. I'm here to help you out. I'm here for you. Okay? Official websites. ZCASH is digital money. We're gonna be digital. Okay? Built on rigorous science. ZCASH was developed and launched by the top cryptocurrency in 2016. Okay? How it works. I'm doing everything for you right here. Okay? We see it right here. The blockchains. Zcash addresses are either private or transparent. Private Z addresses start with a Z and transparent T addresses start with a T. Between these two types of addresses, there are 4 transaction types. A to Z transactions appear on the public blockchain, so it is known to have occurred and that the fees were paid. So let me review again. These are Bitcoin minings, Zcash mining. When people buy coins, they encrypt it, they code it, they send it out there. When you buy it, when transactions that are happening, when businesses are using their coins, transactions are happening, you get paid. That's how it works here. You get paid. When people put money into it, you get paid. Okay? You have to look at yourself as a private investor, a shareholder, a preferred holder, a common stockholder in this company. Target is going to come up with their coins. Bevmos, Walmart, Ralph's, you name it, gyms, everything, DMV, they're all going to have their own stuff. And when you invest in it and when people use it, when they go pay their fees, when they go pay for their transaction, you get paid. That's how Zcash is working. Go watch my video right here on mining. It'll explain everything I just told you right here. This video right here. Okay, that's change in step. Go watch that. Very educational so that you get the grasp on what and how Bitcoin works for you. Okay, and don't forget to take this test to get your 5 free coins. It's what I'm introducing to my clients. They love it. They're like, wow, bro, you just got me $30 worth of free money. Where are you gonna get that at? Email me. Send me your email. I'll respond back to you. I'll send you everything you need to have to make sure that you get into the game and get into the game correctly. Alright, let's check out what's going on in the news today. Exclusive Bitcoin rallied after a volatility weekend session.
How's that been?
It's quite right. I have to say, crypto markets are really getting a big push, especially from the institutional side. And we see a lot of players coming into that market. And actually for us as derivatives player, that's very interesting. And being in Asia is very interesting too, because this is naturally where most of the developments are coming from. So it's awesome so far.
And your key priorities right now for the business itself?
I think we are just on the brink of the next maturation step for the crypto markets. And the next big thing to come is derivatives markets. So for us, getting a good relationship with the regulators and getting into a more regulated and licensed regime is the biggest, let's say, obstacle that we have to take.
Yeah, we were just having a conversation just before this interview started, just on, just how volatile, Bitcoin is, for example, and other coins. And I would imagine before you get massive corporate adoption, and you and I were having a conversation before the show, that needs to be addressed. So in terms of new products, what sort of furthers that goal for you?
I think that we need more, let's say, mass market, like plain vanilla products that we can use in the mass market for retail institutional players. But I think what also is needed is stability from a regulatory framework. A lot of regulators are already working on this. And I think this is important to give confidence into the market that the products have a pretty environment and sound basis. And this will then also support the confidence into the product. Some of the product will be volatile still, and for this I think also we need what is widely discussed, the central bank digital currencies as stable coins to support that development.
Are those competition, since you brought it up? I mean, we had big news overnight from the digital yuan, for example. Do you see that as competition, or is that something that sort of furthers your goal?
I think it's more supporting the goal and further.
No way.
Yes, it is supporting as we see more products and classical institutional players coming into the market, and this supports the wider acceptance of the products with more classical players into coming that. And so from my point of view, it is a long-lasting positive impact, and more regulators will look into these products and warm up to that one. So I don't see it as a negative or competition effect at all.
Does it necessarily, not so much the digital versions of fiat currencies themselves, but more crypto? Does that latter part need to fall under eventually, you think, central banks, or is the allure and the value of using these, mainly because they are outside the purview of monetary policies makers.
The question is how you want to tackle that one. I think that for the beginning, we will see more centralized approaches before we really have, let's say, open markets. I think that central banks will play a major role in definition, especially for stablecoins, central bank digital currencies. But I think also that we see a lot of positive effects of coming from this more public approach to cryptocurrencies. So it's very hard at this point in time to see, and we see the DeFi space, which is also developing quite fastly in this direction. So it's quite hard at this point in time to see how the developments are going.
All right, you heard it. They're moving in. Cryptocurrency is in everybody's portfolios. Those millionaires, those people calling up the private investors, their financial analysis and the brokers is like, give me some Bitcoin. I want that 400% gain on my investment, on my portfolio. Okay, so go cop that today. ZCASH Price. We're talking about it before everybody else talks about it. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna like it. Get your currency today. Thanks for coming by. Show your support. Cash app me at $PAPAKRISTOS or CRISTOS. Hit me up with some support. Subscribe. Show your support. Hit the like button so circulate. At least you can show some support there for helping you out. Have a good day. Thanks for showing up and come back for more.